Hi guys, today I'm gonna share my midweek skincare routine for the night time. So first of all, I'm using my Garnier Water Rose Micellar Water. I love using it during the night time, especially because I love how it smells. And I use this cotton pad, rather wet wipes, saturate it with micellar water and clean my face thoroughly. Then I take the ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution. It helps to remove the dead cells thoroughly, penetrates deeply onto my skin to unblock the clogged pores. Next, I'm taking the ordinary niacinamide facial serum. It really soothes my skin. I have a sensitive dry skin and I highly recommend this serum. Next is this Patanjali Kesar Chandan Aloe Vera Gel. It has a unique blend of chandan and kesar that provides antioxidant and nourishment properties. And lastly, my favorite CeraVe moisturizing lotion that contains 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Love it for everyday use. And of course, eye cream. This is from Estee Lauder. It's in gel format. I love how it feels on my skin. And that's pretty much it. Ending it all with a lip balm. Now it's time to go to bed. Bye.